What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I'm back. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, just want to do a quick update on BrunoEx. Today is the day that you would make your withdrawal requests so that you would be able to receive your withdrawals on Friday, okay, on Thursday. So you would make your withdrawal on Thursday before midnight, and that way they can process it and you can have it on Friday. Alright, so I'm just here just to do a quick update. BrunoEx, they have these plans, investment plans that you can take advantage of. There's the plans here: monthly, quarterly, half yearly, or yearly, and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a little balance here. I'm not going to request a withdrawal again yet. Letting it build up a little bit, but I check on it, every day or so just to make sure everything's intact. This one's been around a year now. Okay. They also have an exchange. They have a few services if you need to buy crypto, if you want to swap or exchange your crypto. Okay, they offer that. Okay, and then they also have these investment plans. So let's go over them real quick here. The standard plan is 1.25% monthly interest, 3 months. We're talking crypto in, crypto out. With this plan, you can get started for as low as $10. Max is $1,000. 3-month term. Okay. You get your capital back at the end of the term. That's 103.75%. Their second plan is 2.5% monthly for 6 months. It's the premium plan. It's a $50 minimum to get in that one. $50 minimum, $10,000 max. You get your capital back at the end of the term. It's 115% return. The ultimate plan is 5% a month for 1 year. Minimum is 100 and the max is 100,000. 1 year, you get your capital back at the end of the term. It's 160% return. This is the plan that I got started in, the daily plan, 1.25% per day for 90 days. The minimum to get in here is $10, max $1,000. 90 days. You don't get your capital back, right? Or do you get your capital back? Wait a minute. Capital return. Yes, you get your capital back. Why did I think you didn't? Maybe I'm thinking about this other program. So 1.25 for 90 days. All right. 12.6% total return. Okay. They have the next daily plan is 0.75% for 180 days. The minimum deposit is $500. Max is $10,000 for 180 days. Excuse me. Capital returned at the end, 36% return. Okay. The last plan, daily plan they have is 0.55% per day for 365 days. It's $1,000 minimum to get into this plan. 100,000 maximum. 365 days, you get your capital back at the end, 102.2%. Okay, so they've got 6 plans to select from. And like I said, with these right here, the daily plan, I like this one because again, it's daily. It's a short term, 90 days, and you make your request for your withdrawal on Thursday. Okay, so that you can get it on Friday. Alright, so let's take a look. As you can see, I've got some earnings in here. This is a slow earner, pretty much. But hell, the way these rug pulls are going, you need something going in the background. Alright, so anyway, I want to kind of get it going. I'll probably add another plan to this as well, but I kind of wanted to just see how it would go first. So let's take a look at the Telegram group though really quick here, because right here, this is where they say that you make your request on Thursday, and this is the deal. There's no maximum cap on the number of requests you can make. We advise you to consolidate your withdrawals into a single request, because this allows you to avoid excessive payment of charges, since each withdrawal is subject to a $5 minimum fee or a 5% per request, whichever is higher. So multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. Okay, so that's why I said I'm building it up just a little bit. All right, so that's how that works. All right, and they do have, like I said, a Telegram group here that you can join, guys, and see what's going on. Stay informed, stay engaged. All right, so let's take a look here. So let's go to investment plan. See, 1.25 per day. That's what we've got going on. And right here, I believe, is where, if and when I get ready to withdraw, I believe you have to transfer. You know, you'd have available funds here, and then you click this transfer button. So if we click this gear, let's see what it says here. You can transfer your available balance manually. Yeah, so it will go over here, I would imagine, to the main account balance, and then you click withdraw. So you can transfer your available balance manually or automatically transfer your balance to your main account. You can enable automatic transfer when you reach the minimum threshold. So you could automatically, let's say, I guess you'd say, if you had in here, once this reaches, I don't know, $100, you could set that up. Once it's 100, it will just automatically go over here in the balance, and then from the balance is where you click that withdraw and withdraw it right to your crypto wallet. All right, pretty cool. All right, so that's how that's done. Let's take a look over here at the plan. I got one plan, and you can have multiple plans. Let's click here. All right, so we're moving and grooving. Okay, another plan. Another platform. I'm sorry, got distracted here. So yes, you click here and you see it's active and what's going on with the plan. All right, and I just showed you the plans itself. All the plans, you can select from 6 different plans. Let's click on transaction. Let's see what's happening here. This shows when I made my deposit, on October 19th. They gave me a little extra 10%. And by the way, let's see, they only accept, I think, 3 currencies too, guys. So let's take a look. So if you click deposit right here, yes, they only accept USDT BEP20, BNB BEP20, or BTC. Okay, so that's how that works. So you'd make your deposit, right? You click make your deposit now. Deposit whatever you're going to deposit. You know, let's say if you was going to put 500 in there, okay, the 500 would show up in the balance. Then you'd come over here and you pick your plan, right? That's how that would work. Make your deposit, then pick the plan. Because once you pick the plan, for an example, let's say I decide I wanted this one. Watch what happens. It's going to say insufficient, right? Oh, well, no, because it's over 10. If I didn't have 10 in this balance, it would have said insufficient, which means I would need to make a deposit. But since I have over 10, that's what it's saying here. See, minimum is 10. So I could literally go in here right now and just start another plan for $10 minimum. All right. But yeah, see, it even says it here. Payment account balance. I could type in here either the 10, or I could type in this balance, click invest, and it will start me a whole nother plan. All right. So pretty cool. Alright guys, so definitely go check this one out. Again, with all the rugs out there, hey, maybe one you want to check into. Again, use risk capital. I'm not a financial advisor, not here to advise you. So do your own research, your own due diligence. It's all on you, right? Play at your own risk. So at least go check it out. Link is in the description. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.